Okay, so first the GTO will brief you about the model. He will explain everything about the model, where is this place located, everything he will brief you about the model. Then, but you are not given any paper to write anything. You have to listen to the GTO very carefully. You have to listen to his like instructions very carefully, and then after explaining you the model, the GTO will ask you if you have any doubts. Only in that particular point you can clear your doubts, not later. Okay, if you have any doubts, you have to clear on that particular moment only. Then what will happen after explaining you about the model? He will narrate you the story, the narrative we call it. So he will narrate the story and you have to observe the model in accordance with the narrative. Then after narrating the story, you will be provided the story, the narrative, in a cardboard, in a hardboard, and you have to make a mental picture of the places where they are, what are the resources we have, what are the problems we have. You have to memorize it. You have to make the mental picture yourself. Okay, and then after 5 minutes, the narrative will be taken away. You only have one piece of paper with you, and you have to observe the model and you have to write the solution in the next 10 minutes. After 10 minutes is over, he will collect your solution and he will ask you to go for the discussion. Okay, so now I will share you this one, the narrative and the picture. We will do it exactly in the same way. Okay. So is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So no one will write anything. Okay. All of you will put your pen down. No one will write anything. You will just look at the screen only. So the picture that you can see, this is a forest. Okay. This is village tiger. This is village lion. This is village fox. So this is a railway track. This is a railway track, and this is the main road. Okay, and this is 15 kilometer from this point. We will have this city Beer, and Deer is 10 kilometer from this point. This is a narrow stream of water. Okay, and here is a motor. You will find two motor boats are here, and this is point A. And this the line that you can see, only through this path only like a bicycle or a two-wheeler can cross. No car or a heavy vehicle can cross this road. Okay, only a person can walk, bicycle or two vehicle, like be it scooty or bike. So this is we also have a PCO here. Okay, and we also have one police post in this map. So now I'm going to read the narrative for you. You will observe and listen to it very carefully. Okay. So you are 8 students from city Dir who had gone boating on the riverside. You had parked yourself on the southern side of the river at a point A. While your friends were boating, you were going to village Tiger to bring drinking water. While crossing the river line, you noticed that one fish plate of the railway line has been found completely removed. A boy came running to inform you that he overheard 5 terrorists planted a powerful road mine to kill the chief minister who will be passing in 1 hour time. The terrorists were hiding in the nearby jungle. At the same time, one villager came to inform you that a tigress has mauled 2 young girls and they are lying unconscious in the jungle. Just then, another man informs that his haystack was on fire and wanted your help. There is a police post and a PCO in Village Lion. A messenger from PCO inquires your name and informs that your mother is seriously ill and your presence is immediately required. When you start moving, you see a beautiful young daughter of Pradhan of Village Tiger, who was walking along with you, just slips and falls in the ground well. but you do not know swimming. The village pradhan has got 5 guns with him. The train will pass through your location at 1600 hours. A half an hour bus service is available between cities Deer and Beer. A number of carts are available in village Fox. There is a motorboat which can travel at a speed of 10 km per hour. The time now is 14-15 hours. You have got a jeep with you. Being a young and brave student, what will you do? So here the scale is not given, but you can assume the scale to be 5 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer. So this is what the narrative. You have 5 minutes. I will request you not to write anything on your copy. After 5 minutes, you will write. So 5 minutes time starts from now.
Can you explain what is the full form of a PCO?
PCO is a telephone booth, no? PCO.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you can start the discussion.
So friends, in this problem we have six issues to deal with. They are like saving the 2 girls from the tiger and blowing off the fire in haystack.
Friends, I think first of all we should prioritize our problems and then decide our solution.
Prioritize the order.
Yeah, so first priority should be to save the girl who has drowned in the well.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's
save the
complete.
drowning girl.
First
And
of all, we
after
will
that, we
save
will
them.
move to save the two
Okay,
girls
let's
who have been
complete
involved
one
in
by
the
one.
tiger.
First of all, our first action will be the hero will be running back
Saving
to
the
his
girl
friends
from the well.
and informing the friend because he doesn't know how to
Decide
swim,
the priority.
right?
Afterwards, let's go to the solutions.
Yeah, first
Let's
we
decide the
decide the
priority
priority.
and then go to
Yes,
the
please first
So,
decide the
I think that
priority.
our
We
group
all can
has
agree- we
agreed
all
on
can
the
agree on the
priority that
same,
our first priority should be
drowning
to save the girl who is drowning in the well.
I agree.
Okay,
Everyone
so
agree
first,
on this?
first priority will be
Save the tiger.
PM from the terrorist
I
attack.
think first
that is the
priority
second
should
one.
be
We have to
PM from the
inform
terrorist
the
attacks.
police.
Will be
Inform the
Okay.
police force.
Friends, I think that the
I
second one
think that-
shall be
that is
to
the second
save the
one.
girls who have been mauled by the
The 2
tiger.
girls from the tiger.
Yes,
The
Yeah,
third
yeah,
one should be
yeah,
to
that
blow
should
up
be the
fire
second
in
one.
we should
haystack.
first save the 2
The
young
4th
girls.
one should be saving the
Yeah.
CM because we have
Okay.
time for that. The
Yeah,
5th
yeah,
one should be
as-
stopping the
exactly.
train.
We'll go with
But-
the
And the
saving
last
but,
one,
the
And the
thing is
third
that they
priority
will.
should be to inform the police about the terrorist and the
friends.
landmine.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
friends.
First
I think
priority
Yes,
that
yes,
should be
both,
second is
last
for-
one will be the
friends. I
because
think
they
that
are
both
hiding
the
in the
railway issue,
jungle.
both the
And I
They
railway
are
think
issue
hiding
and
after
the
that we
landmine
can
can be
address the
managed by
PCO
2
and
people.
talk to the mother because
Friends, I think that both
the
the
presence
railway
also
issue
urgently
and
needed.
friends, I think that both the railway issue and the landmine can be managed if we
Can
if
be
we inform
managed
the
at one
police
time.
post. If
Yeah.
we inform the police, we have to
Sure.
Yes.
prioritize our
We cannot
action.
do
Have to
much
inform
that.
the police
From
and
the person
Yeah,
will
we
have
are
the issue
doing
and
that.
he will call the police also and he
So
will
that can be
inform his
agreed on.
friends also regarding the
Yeah,
Let's
fire.
that
know
is
about
I
we
think
agreed that we
firstly-
will inform the police about
Firstly,
that,
he
about the
should
fishing place,
take help of
about the
nearby village
and
to
the
rescue
mines.
2 girls.
I think first of all he should, as he is near the tiger village tiger,
Yes,
so he
yes.
should go to those people and take their help instead of
Yes,
coming
yes.
back to his
Yeah,
friends
Yeah,
because that is
friends, we
far
have not
different.
yet completed all the tasks because one task is left, which is to put up the fire in the haystack. So that shall
That
be
is
our
the
last
third
priority.
task.
I
That
think.
is the
No,
third
first we'll
task.
solve
Yeah,
this.
last one. That's
First
it.
one,
I
let us
think
solve
that
this.
Ankita,
Because
what
the
is
haystack
Ankita
So he'll be
saying is
taking
it
right.
cannot be
as
the last
Ankita
one.
said,
It
Take help
cannot be
of
the
nearby
last one
village.
because this is how
Okay,
we
take
friends,
the
I think
help
that
of
we
the,
have
we can
decided
take
our
the help of
priorities.
the
Now,
people
now
from
let
the
us
village
decide the
tiger.
Priority should be
solutions.
the helping the Pradhan girl.
Yeah, solutions
Okay,
we are discussing.
so
So
starting
with
with
the
the
help of
first
the village
priority
tiger
was to
people,
save the girl from the drowning whale. So I think now we shall find the solution to that problem. So as it is a whale,
So in that
let's put that
in
as
that
to
case,
it.
from the
So
village
we
tiger,
can
in
help
that
the
case,
girl
we
from
can
the
we
well.
can
village
we don't know
tiger and
swimming,
inform the
we can
people
take the
about
help
the
of the
drowning
village
girl.
tiger
You can
people.
come and save
Yeah,
her.
some of them will be jumping and he,
To douse
Yeah,
up the
haystack
fire
will
and
be
we
the
can.
last
I
priority.
think that the haystack
But if
control can be
haystack
done.
is last priority,
last one.
So
but
like
friends, if we
I would
keep
like
it
to
at
add a
last,
suggestion.
then
I would like to add a suggestion so that we can
Last will
with
be
the help of the Pradhan.
I think
let the
we should
men-
not keep it at last priority. The
No,
because it will burn.
let's-
Because
let-
by the
let's-
entire time it will
let's-
burn.
let's-
The entire
let's-
haystack will burn. So
I-
there is no there is no use of going there.
After
I
informing
have a
about
plan.
the terrorist,
Last
we
I
can
have
do
a
the
plan.
they have
fast
8
tag
people.
Yes, chest
fire.
number
Last
6,
in the
please.
sense they have 8
Chest
people.
number
It is our last
priority, but
I
I would
Last
like
in
to
the sense
add.
they have 8
Okay,
people.
okay, stop the discussion.
Go ahead and
You
say.
will.
Don't worry about that.
Stop the discussion. We
There
are
is
over.
a-
Now, Okay, now nominate anyone from the group to give the comments, like the final story.
I nominate chest number 6, Vishal.
Yeah, even I
also
nominate chest number 6.
number 6.
Okay, Vishal, you can start.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for nominating me. So first of all, we have 6 primary concerns in the situation. That is that the train and the bomb that has been planted in the road. The next comes the tiger, which are small, 2 girls and are seriously injured, and comes the Pradhan's daughter who has fallen into the river and she doesn't know the swimming. And the final and comes the person's mother being seriously ill, and next comes the haystack which has caught the fire. So first of all, the person who came to inform about the haystack can be used to evacuate Pradhan's daughter who has fallen into the river. So into the river. In the meantime, the person can go to village tiger, inform the Pradhan about the 2 girls who have been mauled by the tigers, and he take an bicycle or a motorbike from village tiger, and he goes back to his friend. So when he goes back, as the boat is in the southern side of the river, he asked one of his friends to use it to fastly cross the river, go to them, and he tells them the situation. He tasked one of his friend to go to village lion and inform the police about the railway track and the car mine. So he will be leaving to that one person will be leaving to the police post, and the remaining 7 will be left. So all 7 will be boarding the jeep. They will be going to the main road and drop one and will drop one in the road, so that he can catch the bus that arrives every 30 minutes and go to meet the main character's mother who is seriously ill. So after that, the remaining 6 will use the road, will go to village tiger, and with the help of the village Pradhan, who along with his men are armed with 5 rifles, will get into the forest, evacuate the girls who are mauled by the tigers. They will use the first aid kit in their car to give primary first aid and stop their bleeding, and two of them along with along with 2 villagers will be taking the injured girls to city Beer, which is 15 kilometers away from the 15 kilometers away, in their jeep. So the remaining 4, along with the villagers armed with the weapons, will be guarding around the forest so as not letting the terrorists to escape. So this is our final. Group planning. This is our final stuff. Thank you.
Okay, so do you feel that he missed anything in the narration, in the conclusion?
I think our
Yes,
conclusion
about the haystack.
should return back to the place where we were, and we should go back to home, like
Okay.
to village.
So, all of them should meet at a point.
Okay,
so that
fine.
they can go back to their.
Okay.
And
So,
I personally think the priority was also like the priority was of the fire haystack in the last shouldn't be there, I think. Like, I don't know.
That last is nothing, in the sense they will sit and organize all the tasks at once. So they won't do it at the last. They'll do it
Yes.
at that specific time only.
By the way,
Yes.
like, sorry, I have forgotten to mention the haystack prayer. That was my mistake. Like, yeah. So can I add that? So that
No,
we-
it's okay.
we get-
Now that is over. So it's okay.
Yeah,
So
okay.
one thing is, first thing you have to prioritize the problems. Okay. So you prioritize the train, that incident to be the first, right?
No, the saving the
No, the
Pradhan's
tiger
girl
one.
and the tiger part. That's our priority.
Okay. So the priority, see, the girl who was slipped into the well, she was near to you because she was walking along with you, right? And she
No, but
she
that
fell.
was our priority. I think that
Yes,
was our priority.
that was our
But he
priority
doesn't
because
know.
yeah,
But
he doesn't know because
swimming, right?
but he could
Yeah,
have
that
taken
was-
ropes or something
Yeah, there is a
to
rope,
bring her out.
yeah.
Yeah, because otherwise she will die. No, if no one helps her. So
Like,
that was our
what-
first priority.
But
That
I
was
that
think
was the
we
first
discussed and
priority.
everyone
We have
agreed
made the
on this
villagers
point.
who had come to inform, so that two men came to inform us. So we have made them to rescue the girl. In the same time, the
Yeah.
person will be going to the village tiger and taking a motorcycle to
Yeah,
get back to his friends.
yeah, you can say that, but the first priority should be this one, to save the girl from drowning. Okay. Then we can go to the other one. Also, no one mentioned about the time. You also have to mention, okay, the time, that this task will take this much time, because we have to take care of the time also. We are like after 1 hour, the train will pass, right? So we have to keep the time frame in the like in the scenario also. While you were narrating, try to put the distance and the time. Like you have to also discuss the time, how you will do it. See, I said, okay, the 5 cm equals to 1 kilometer. So you can just assume that like 1 2 3 4 5 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer. So in that way, how much time it will take for a jeep to travel from this place to this place? You have to calculate the time and the distance, and then at last you have to mention, keep this much time, this task will take this much time, and then you have to sum up all the time, and then finally you have to meet at point A, and then you can go back home. Correct? So next time, make sure that you are mentioning the time also. And we can simultaneously complete all the tasks. We just have to make the groups. Like in one group you can put 2 or 3 person. We had 8 people, so simultaneously we can complete all the tasks. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक. So how did you write? Like, can anyone share the solution? Anyone of you?
I can read it out, but it's very pathetic. My handwriting is very pathetic. I can read it out the same way every time.
No, I just wanted to see that how you have organized.
Okay. Sorry for my handwriting.
Yeah, it's okay.
One sec, let me share.
Oh, you sent it in the group. Okay. Wait, I will share it. Okay, so this is the way, no? So see, in the bracket, no, here, after completing first task, in the bracket, you can simply simply write that this task will take this much time. Like this, we'll have to travel this much kilometer plus this much time to complete the task. You can just, you just have to mention this, okay? I'm saying to all of you. Also, I will show you one picture. I collected this picture from the web itself. I think this picture might help you to understand how we should write actually. Yeah. So see, like the structure, you can see how this person has written all these things, right? He has written in the side, he has written the resources available. Boy who informed. These are all the resources we have on motorboat, then jeep, cards, village, fox. See, these are all the resources he has mentioned in the right corner, and how he has divided. He has prioritized this task. See how he has did it. We were 8 in group, and then he has prioritized the task. फिर उसने क्या किया ना कि he divided. See how he has divided. He has mentioned the time. I started at 14-20 hours, took help of village tiger, used ropes and buckets to save her, pulled her outside, gave her artificial respiration. Okay, so how much time did he take? See, 10 minutes time to run across the place to that place plus 20 minutes time to pull her out. So in that way, after writing this part, you can just mention the time also. And he has divided the task simultaneously. 2 people here, 3 people here, and two in this way he has prioritized. I will send you this picture also. from this picture, this is at the actual means planning, how you will plan. Itna time nahi bhi ho sakta, it's okay, but this is the order you have to maintain. As it was a good discussion, I felt that all of you participated, all of your participation was great. Shivani, your participation was a bit low in the group. Others, you did best, like just number 6. You also gave the nomination, you got the nomination from the group. So Neeraj also, Ankita, just number 1, all of you did great today. But the writing part should be more clear, because GTO will read your writing. Okay, so that you need to take care of. So otherwise, it was a great discussion. We might have 1 week, twice in a one might have one GP in a week. Let's see. So the next week on this day, we will have a GD. So for GD ke liye na, what you all people will do, just number 4, Ankita Kumari, Neeraj. Okay, so what you will do, all of you will look for one GD topic, the trending GD topics. I think you all are doing the newspaper thing, so you are well aware of the current affairs. So you will look for GD topics. You will look how the GD topics are given. You will find out some topics. Each of you will put one GD topic in this group, not in the main group, in the PPT group. And on next week, we will have one GD, like one GD. Okay. किसी एक से होगा, मतलब like the topics you will give. So एक में होगा ही, मतलब GD. And GD topics, make sure that the GD topics are trending. Like the GTO will give you only the trending and GD topics. Okay. So one social topic and one any topic, like one low level topic and high level topic and one social topic. So because we also have to do one GD, and if you all will find one GD topic, if you read, then it will really enhance your GK part will get enhanced. Okay. So instead of doing any random GD, it will be great if we come prepared and then we give our points. Is that okay? So
Okay.
all of you, and those who could not complete the solution, you can put your solution again in this way, the way I showed you. You can again write your plan, and again you can send in the main group. Okay. So that's all for today. Let's close this here. Anyone has to say anything?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that in the GP, do we consider that we don't have mobile phones and everything? Because it was not mentioned.
No, actually, it was not mentioned. It was only mentioned that you have one PCO. So it was mentioned. Okay. And because see, the PCO person went to the character, no, to inform that his mother was not well. If he had phone, he would have called him directly. Okay. So phone to tha hi nahi uske paas. That's why we have PCO. In other like GP, you will mostly find one line that all the connections are not available or connectivity down tha. But phone and all internet connectivity you won't have. Okay. So you have to manage somehow. So you can again work on this planning part. Again, write your planning and again put in the group and try to take idea from the picture that I showed you. Okay.
Yeah, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So there was a man from village Lion who came to inform us about the mother, right? So
yes.
Can we take that he came in a bicycle or he came in a motorcycle so that we use that? Because
you can use not him, because it was not mentioned that he came with a bicycle. But you see, that is a road, no? You can also, there was a narrow path. Obviously you will find villagers, those who are coming, they continuously, they might be coming here and there, so they might be traveling also, be it with cycles. Also you can borrow cycles from the village also. And also it was mentioned that in village fox or something, carts are also available. So we can assume that villagers are having vehicles. At least they are having bicycles. You can assume that thing. even if it's not mentioned, we can assume. Okay.
Okay.
So can I add a doubt? Like
Yeah.
as you said that there were cards with village fox, but village fox was very far away. So
Yes.
in the real FSB also there will be some cases where the resources that are given to us, we might not be able to use them. So is it okay if we skip those resources? Like if we would have gone to village fox to like get those cards, then we would have wasted some time.
Yeah.
We instead use some other alternative. So it's
Yeah,
okay
it's
to
okay.
like.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
okay. It's totally okay. The thing is, we have to like see today. None of you mentioned the time. So like time is very important. Do you know? Because it was clearly mentioned that after 1 hour the train will arrive, and in that way we have to prioritize our task. If we like put the train thing later, then you तो मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है ना उसका. So time thing we have to mention. Like make sure that from the next discussion you are mentioning the time and the distance. Okay. Also, while you are writing, you have to mention the time and the distance. Yeah.
What if we have a jeep? So
Yeah.
what can be the assumed speed of the jeep? So we have to be for time we need the speed of the jeep, right? What
Yes.
can we? How can we assume?
In other GPs, no,
Okay.
it will be like दे देंगे वहाँ पर. See, you can assume like अगर that is a highway, you can just assume how much we like whenever we travel, no, at what speed a vehicle is running. Maybe 40 kilometer per hour, maybe 50 kilometer per hour, right? Not more than that. Like 60 or like 60 is the thing. So you can assume that thing that in this time we will be reaching this particular place. Also कभी कभी like timing दे दिया जाएगा वहाँ पर because you have noticed that motorboat's speed was mentioned. It was I think 10 kilometer per hour. It was clearly mentioned. So it might happen that in other GP narrative you might find the speed, but it's okay if you assume it. Because if it's a like a normal road, like it's a not a like क्या बोलते हैं, so not a it's a just a gravel road, no, जिसमें पत्थर होते हैं ना. In that path we cannot take the speed of that vehicle to be 60. We have to take it to be 20 or 30. So in that way you have to assume. It's okay, we will do other GP in other weeks also, then you will get ideas. You can also look for other narratives in the Google itself and try writing the solutions. You will get more ideas.
Where was exactly the fire? I couldn't get it.
Haystack.
On the head. Yes.
1 minute. It was near to wait, let me see the picture. It was not given in the question or what?
I
No,
think
it was given
clear
that
to me, I don't-
village, just village. It was just a village, not a name of the village was given.
Okay, maybe the man that came will be from the nearby village only. The person that came to inform that boy, he won't be traveling that far. Like village fox तो हो ही नहीं सकता. A person will not travel this far to inform this person. Like it will be a nearby village only.
as a Pradhan daughter was drowning in the well, so I thought of if it near the well, they can use it to put off the fire.
Yeah, but it's a hay. No, I don't think like you can. Yes, you can put the like necessary items away from that place. But hey, if like hey में मतलब कितना क्या ही कर लेंगे हम, मतलब it's okay. We have to approach, but you know we can't do much in that kind of a situation. But we cannot neglect situations. Okay, but we cannot neglect.
Yeah.
You cannot neglect कि किसी ने बोल दिया था कि नहीं नहीं इसको तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, बस ऐसे मत बोलना कि we have to mention that also.
That exactly this place was not clear to me.
Yeah,
That's
that
why I
was.
wasn't-
You we have to assume that this is from a nearby village only.
Okay.
Village tiger or village that one? What was that?
Tiger and lion was nearby, I
Hmm.
think.
Yes, maybe it will be tiger, I think.
Yeah, tiger, because it was
Hmm.
like on the other side of the village, the railway track. He was standing
Yes.
there,
Yes,
so
yes.
it will be nearer.
Either side of there are the sources of the water.
Hmm.
Both
Yeah.
we can use that.
So,
But
yeah.
but I couldn't get it because a person, a fire in the village, a person will not be running all the way to there in the middle place to inform him, right? The
Yes,
same thing
yeah.
that
Hmm.
Ankita was telling. It must be
Hmm.
somewhere near there, somewhere near that place. We could take
Yes,
the
someone in the
assessment.
place. See, the
It must be
discussion, no,
more than
everything. Yes.
I thought it must be on a matlab, more than a less fire, like in a large way. That's why they are coming to inform someone. So it need to be controlled.
Yes, yes, yes. We cannot say, like I said, we have to address the situation. We cannot just ignore it. Okay. So
Yeah.
let's close it for now and do that task. Okay, the GD topics. You will find one perfect GD topic. Social से भी होना चाहिए because in we are in the actual SSB, no, we are given two topics. One is a social topic, completely social topic, and one is related to like current scenario, be it geopolitics, be it defense related. So you can do a small research that what kind of G topics are asked, how they are asked. You can just before putting in the group, you can just send me. I will check, and then we will have a discussion on that one particular topic. ये नहीं बोला जाएगा कि इसमें ही होगा. You have to read for all the topics and एक topic में discussion होगा. ठीक है?
Sukanya, when is the the next this group discussion thing?
PPDT.
No group. Any group discussion like this group.
Next week. It will be next week. Maybe.
Achha, so Saturday we don't have anything.
We have PPDT, no Saturday.
Okay. Fine.
Only this will take place only one in a week, once in a week.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, today is Thursday, no, next Thursday.
All right.
We will have GD. So yeah. So okay then. Like have a great day ahead. I'm closing the session for now.
Yeah. Good
Okay.
day.
Thank you.
Thank you.